behalf of the government, I want to extend our very special thanks to the government of Australia through you, High Commissioner for Australia, who provided the bulk of the funding for this new parliamentary building. We have reached that stage of the construction. Once the roofing is going up, it is usual for Samoa to celebrate the occasion. It is the moment that we contribute to the reward or part of the reward for the contractor. Because in the olden times, all he gets at this stage would be a sewer, a peak, to keep him going. But at this stage, everybody will know that we would complete the building. Because even some buildings in the Samoan context, sometimes we don't finish it for lack of funds. But with Australia behind us, we know we will be able to complete this building. And this is the reason why we are gathered here to celebrate the occasion. Yeah. Ole famon moile ole so, ya famon yemaile tua. Ngalwe ngalo toe yevaveo na tato whangai a ole uma ia le nei pai i manu tele le so.